DSI fixture and screw remover kit, the compact version. Video instructions. Fractured screw removal. Select a drill guide to fit an implant fixture platform connection and engage it using a guide holder. Connect the guide to the fixture. Insert the remover drill into the guide and run it in a counterclockwise direction to engage with the screw. We recommend staying at a lower speed below 25 revolutions per minute. If the remover drill doesn't draw the screw, use the black reverse drill to create a divot at the top of the screw. Run your handpiece in reverse at 8 to 1200 revolutions per minute with convenient irrigation. After a small hole inside a screw is formed, remove the prosthetic guide and press a tap drill at a lower RPM, under 80, into the screw channel to remove the fractured part. The direction is counterclockwise, as always. Implant fixture removal. Select the fixture remover tool of matching size and attach it to the implant. Press down and slowly turn it counterclockwise to fuse the remover to the failed implant. You can use a manual adapter, torque ratchet, or contra-angle handpiece with a speed below 50 revolutions per minute. DSI FSR Compact Kit is a highly useful set of instruments that simplifies the procedure of removal and replacement of implants in ill-positioned placement cases. It also helps to remove broken screws without damaging the implant. It eliminates the use of trephine or excessive trauma for the patient, a perfect solution for your peace of mind. Brought to you by DSI.